Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome to chemistry class with Miss Manis. From this chapter, you will learn about hydrocarbon. Chemistry grade 11, first semester, SMA Internasional Budi Mulia 2, with me, Miss Manis. From this chapter, you will find out about the unique properties of carbon, classification of hydrocarbon, isomerism, hydrocarbon properties. The word list that you will find from this chapter are hydrocarbon, alkanes, alkenes, alkones, saturated hydrocarbon, double bond, single bond, covalent bond, homologous. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon divided into two words, hydrogen and carbon. The symbol of hydrogen is H and the symbol of carbon is C. Hydrocarbon is the organic compound consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. So where we can find the hydrocarbon compound? We can find it in petroleum. The petroleum produces gasoline. This is the structure of gasoline. As you can see from the picture, there is C connected to other C and hydrogen connected to C around the C chain. So the structure is hydrocarbon molecules. LPG. This is the picture of structure of LPG. C has connected with other C and make long chains. And hydrogens connected to C around the C chain. And the last, paraffin. This is the structure of many kinds of paraffin. Showing carbon and hydrogen in hydrocarbon compounds by experiments.
Detection of carbon and hydrogen. The analysis of an organic compound is the first step to find the elements present in it qualitatively. The detection of various elements present in an organic compound is called qualitative analysis. Carbon and hydrogen are present in almost all organic compounds. Let us see the procedure of detecting carbon and hydrogen. Take the organic compound in a dry test tube and mix it with cupric oxide, CuO, 3 times its weight. Heat the compound strongly. The evolved gases are passed through a delivery tube containing a bulb with anhydrous copper sulfate. Then, it passed into lime water taken in a test tube. If carbon is present, it forms CO2, carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky. The reactions involved in this process are C plus 2CuO gives rise to 2Cu plus CO2 rise. CaOH twice plus CO2 gives rise to CaCO3 plus H2O. If hydrogen is present in the compound, it forms H2O vapor or water vapor. Water vapor, when passed over white anhydrous CuSO4, it turns blue by forming CuSO4, 5H2O. The reactions involved in this process are 2H plus CuO gives rise to Cu plus H2O. CuSO4 plus 5H2O gives rise to CuSO4 5H2O. Expected questions from this module. 1. What is qualitative analysis? And explain the procedure of detecting carbon and hydrogen in an organic compound. 2. Write the equations involved in detecting carbon and hydrogen in an organic compound. 3. Explain the principle involved in detecting carbon and hydrogen in an organic compound. Thank you.
Unique properties of carbon. As you can see from the picture, this is C atom. C atom has the atomic number 6. If the C atom is neutral, so C atom has 6 proton and also has 6 electron. From the electron, we can make electron configuration of C atom, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. From this electron configuration, we can see that shell number 1 has 2 electrons. Shell number 2 has 4 electrons. So, the electron valence of C is 4. This is the picture of the atomic structure. Cell number 2 has 4 electrons. And we can represent the electron valence of C by this picture. C has 4 dots around C. And this is the example that C connected with 4 other atoms. Because of C has 4 electron valence, so C can connect it with 4 other atoms. For example, CH4. The unique properties of carbon. The other unique properties of carbon is the covalent bonding that formed by C atom is quite strong. It is because C atom only has 2 shells and the atomic radius is relatively small. The other unique properties of C atom is C can have connected with other C with a single bond, double bond, and triple bond. The classification of hydrocarbon based on its chain. Aliphatic chains. This is the example of aliphatic chains. What is aliphatic chains? Both chains that both have straight chains and branched chains have 2 ends. This is a straight chain or a branched chain that have 2 ends. Alicyclic chains. This is the example of alicyclic chains. It has no end and C atom make close rings. The third is aromatic chain. Aromatic chains is like a close ring chain, but it has intermittently single and double bond close ring. Classification of hydrocarbon based on its bond. The first one is saturated hydrocarbon. This is the example of saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means it has only single bond. The second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Exercise 1. Classify the hydrocarbon structure below based on its chain. Aliphatic,